Once they log into CHILI GraFx, subscription admins will be able to access the dashboard and export analytics reports, my subscription, and assign template designer seats, my environments to access and manage settings for all available environments, and user management, where they'll be able to invite users, create and manage user groups, and assign end user, environment admin, and subscription admin roles. Lastly, subscription admins will be able to go into any environment and access GraFx Fonts to upload and manage fonts, as well as GraFx Media to upload and manage media. They'll also be able to view all templates created, manage output settings and user interfaces, and create collections. However, subscription admins won't be able to either create or open a template. To do so, they will require a template designer seat. Please note, since all users keep their end user role by default, subscription admins will also be able to access my projects and interact with templates.